I'm now going to show you how to use a protractor to measure an angle. This is a protractor. It's a kind of semicircle and it's got a scale going from 0 to 180 on the outside, but it's also got an inner scale going from 0 to 180 as well. It's got a straight line here and it's also got a T, which I'll be telling you about in a minute. If you turn it upside down, everything's back to front, and you know that you need to turn it the other way up. So I've got a polygon here. It's a quadrilateral, it's a four-sided polygon, and I've marked on the inside interior angles. So let's say that I wanted to measure this angle here. It looks pretty close to 90 degrees to me, but let's see if we can do that. So the four things you need to do. First of all, you need to check your protractor is the right way round. So if the numbers are reversed, turn it up the other way around. Next, you need to place the T onto the corner of the angle that you're measuring. There, I've got the T lined up. Then you need to place the 0 on one of the lines. So I could place the outside 0 over here, making sure my T is still lined up. Or I could place the inside 0 over here. It doesn't matter. So once you've got the 0 on one line, you then count up from the 0 to the other line. So here I've got 0. I'm going to measure the amount of turn between those two lines. So I'm going to count up using the inner scale. And I can see that it's going just to below 90 degrees. So I would say that that is about 89 degrees. And I'll mark that in next to the... Now I'm going to have a go at measuring this angle. So I'm going to turn my page upside down. I'm going to check my protractor is the right way round, place the T on the corner, line up one of the zeros. Again, I'm using the inner scale, and I'm going to count up using that inner scale, until we get to the other line. So I can see my angle here is 100 degrees. I'll just write that down the correct way up. 100 degrees. And that's how you use a protractor to measure an angle.